Hello guys, welcome to my number one YouTube channel, HSC Leslie Bones. Today we are going to talk about how to know different types of fire extinguishers and their use. Five classification of fire: Class A, Class B, Class C, Class D, and Class F. Class A: ordinary solid combustible, such as paper, wood, clothes, and some plastics. Class B: flammable liquid, such as alcohol, ether, oil, gasoline, and grease, which are the best extinguished by smothering but not cooking oil. Class C: flammable gases, shock inhibiting chemicals, chain reactions such as dry chemical or halon. Class D: certain flammable metallic substance such as sodium and potassium. These materials are normally not found in the medical center. Class F, usually Class K, deep fat fry and spillage of flammable oils near heat source in kitchen can result in a Class F fire. Let's look at type of fire extinguishers. Number 1, water. Water extinguishers are only suitable for Class A fire consisting of paper, wood, straw, coal, rubbers, solid, plastic, and soft furnishing. Foam fire extinguishers are highly effectively on Class A and Class B fire. The foam agent helps to prevent reignition. The powder ABC powder fire extinguishers are extremely versatile and can be used on Class A, Class B, Class C, and electrical fires. CO2 fire extinguishers were originally designed for use on flammable liquids fires and therefore have a Class B fire rating. They are ideal for electrical fires as CO2 is not a conductor and they do not leave behind any harmful residue. Wet chemicals fire extinguishers are designed specifically for use on fire involving combustible cooking media such as burning oil, fat. Guys, thank you for watching. Follow me on my Facebook, HSC Leslie Bones, and please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, HSC Leslie Bones. Thank you.